It's one more day at Silver Dollar City. We're here for the Festival of Wonder. It's a little wet right now, but it's going to clear out. Not too many people. You can see it's like empty behind me. It's going to be an awesome day. Let's go see some shows and stuff. Right? Blah. Alright, so we're here at Silver Dollar City. It's misting, a little heavy, but this is supposed to clear out here pretty soon. Actually, it was dry most of the way here and just started doing it right as we pulled up. But Festival of Wonder today, got some shows that we haven't gotten a chance to see yet and things that we're going to get to do, and we're going to go play. Crowds look like it's going to be light. It's a weekday, so no school kids or anything. I'm excited. Whee! It's going to be fun! So here's one of the things I really like once the festivals really kick in, starting with this Festival of Wonder and then with others. This is the show guide in their Pathfinder newspaper. And you can just see all the different shows that are here. And so much, see, that's one of the things that really makes Silver Dollar City so much fun is all the shows. So we're going to try and catch as many of these as we can today. Now, it is going to be made a little interesting, at least for the first part, because you can see it's wet. Although this should be stopping here within an hour, and then we should clear out, and it should be a great day. If you're in those Ozarks, you just really want to get some frog jam and toe jam. You know you want some toe jam. So you can see it's still raining behind us. It's a nice, soft, gentle rain, almost like just a heavy mist, but it's actually rain right now. And Amber and I were just kind of sitting here talking about when we used to work here and how much we like days like this. Not so much because it kept people away, although it did. But out in the woods, I loved days like this because the soft rain on the trees, it was just beautiful out there.
Are orange rinds or radishes better to pickle?
Pickled orange rind? Well, I've heard of people pickling orange rinds. Yes, that's weird. I got this weird tuft of hair, but I don't know. It's kind of weird. I got this horn growing. Ah! Anyways, it's supposed to stop raining here sometime in the next hour. They just canceled the opening ceremony. Love the soft rain, though, because it's just so pretty with the trees and the dogwoods in bloom.
What to pickle?
You're pickled. You're being pickled. Pickle my tuft of hair that was sticking out.
Ew.
Saloon show first. And you can see the hordes of people behind us. I'm really kind of concerned that we may not be able to get a seat because there's just so many in front of us. Honey shop later, but you can see there's so many people. What are we gonna do to get into the saloon? My horn's growing back again. Silver Dollar City in the rain. Quiet, pretty. And if you're a show person, this is a day to come.
You are about to witness the death-defying Knives of Fury! The Knives of Fury! Thank you, Charlie.
All right, here we go.
And now for my lovely assistant, Miss Tilly.
I'm here. Where do you guys want me to stand this time?
Hold it. Don't stand. Oh, you're crying out loud. Get over here. Boss, don't you think we ought to pick a target that's, a little more dispensable?
No! You mean like an audience member?
Like an audience member!
Oh, that part's in every contract.
Yeah.
It states that if any participating party is not to be found of sound mind, the contract must be voided. It's called the sanity clause.
But you can't fool us. There ain't no sanity clause. We're kidding, kids, there is.
We're gonna have to take a look at
Yeah,
it.
of course.
We'll be in my office. You just stay.
So, Mr. Wigglesworth, you're a real lawyer. Yeah.
That must be so rewarding.
And very lucrative.
Absolutely.
I mean, I guess. this was really kind of my parents' idea, but I like what you guys do. Care about expensive things, cashmere coats, diamond rings, don't mean a thing. All I care about is love. That's what I'm here for. I don't care for any fine inside that other gals might admire. No, no, not me. All I care about is love. Charlie, a man wants a woman who thinks that he's special.
Yeah, sure.
And a woman that knows that she's special.
Yeah.
And a woman that, makes him want to be a better man.
Well, of course.
Yeah.
How do you keep them three gals from meeting?
Charlie, you would not know what to do with a woman if you had one.
I want so. I can prove it too. You listen up, Harrison. You may learn a thing or two. If I had a woman, I'd buy her a horse, a new set of chaps, new boots, of course. If I had a woman, I'd buy her some things like a hat and a new lariat. And I'd be right there, a house, a wife, and an easy chair. I love her like a prisoner if I had a woman.
Charlie, hey, would you cut that out?
I didn't know that hair. She had lots of hair.
I'm really sorry.
So that was the saloon show. That was fun. They definitely changed it up this year a little bit. Some parts I definitely liked. Some parts were okay. I don't know. I thought the airline thing was a little weird, but
It was more fun last year.
thought it was more fun last year. Yeah, it's not the worst saloon show I've seen, but I don't think I put it the best. But it was fun to see. In any case, we're now going to head off to go see Phoenix Fire and dodge puddles. just saw Phoenix Fire, which that was pretty cool. What do you think? Walking out of the theater now, but yeah, neat. They started off with the Light 6, which I have to admit, the Light 6 I was kind of going, okay. Seen this before. I thought that might have looked a little better if the lights had been out for that part. But then when they brought the fire out, we were, how far back were we? 6 rows? So you could feel the heat. so that was really cool. So neat show. I've recorded the whole thing, so hopefully that came out, and I'll try and post up that video and let you, let you see that whole show. So definitely a show worth seeing. I hope they bring that one back next year. Anyways, we're hungry. It's time to head off to get some food. Amber's just got her succotash, which you can see she's got a mouthful of. She hates it when I do that to her. And then I got the Trail Boss Burger and the fries up at Wagon Works. The best fries in the park. The only place you can get those. Time to grub, to get away from the rain. And that is just positively evil to see as you walk in. Chocolate covered gold dust. Good stuff. So of course we walk around and get our sample of brittle. Because you got to get your brittle. Brittle. Okay, so what'd you buy?
I have hot candy and dark chocolate peanut brittle.
Dark chocolate peanut brittle. And who's the dark chocolate peanut brittle for?
Mom.
Because she likes dark chocolate and peanut brittle. Yum, yum.
On the bottom of this bowl, I like doing it, adds a lot of weight and the balance to the bottom. Really start to see some of that blue come out. Remember on the inside, it's going to be a nice light glacier blue, green, white combo.
Like the bits that are on the ground.
Oh, yeah. We're going to flatten just a very small section, helps land his foot a little bit more evenly. And now I'm going to fluff keep the top. You need to keep that top section a little high. You can tell how much hotter the very bottom is than the rest of the vessel.
That was really cool watching the glassmaker. I should have filmed the whole thing. Because all of a sudden, that little vase that you see, all of a sudden he flipped it around and it was this big wide open bowl. It was amazing, and I was kicking myself for not filming it because I missed it. But it's still kind of sprinkling and wet and getting cooler. So we're kind of going, eh. Here's the wonderful thing about having annual passes. It means that we can head out and it's okay. So time for us to pull out for the day. Hope you enjoyed the couple shows and look around the park. And yeah, if it was maybe a smidge warmer, we might have stuck it out. But love coming out. Great thing about annual passes. Come anytime. So thanks for joining me and Amber along the way, and hope you had a lot of fun looking at some of the shows for Festival of Wonder. Be sure to watch for the fire show to come up too on a separate video. I'll make sure I have that for you. Thanks so much, and God bless.